Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have unboxing of Look Incredible box, and this is June box. Sorry I'm so late. I usually get their subscription box end of the month. I don't know why. And yes, let's dig in. This month's the June's box was really amazing, and all every month their subscription boxes are brilliant, and there is lots of amazing products in. I will leave all the info about the box on my blog, which I will link down below. As always, you can find all the info there. You can Google. There is tons of reviews if you are interested. And I do want to mention that I pay around 80 euros for this box because I have added shipping costs, and it is coming from the UK. It always contains full-size products, and it contains luxury products, which I really like. And the first product here is this press powder from IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder in translucent, and it costs £25. So it comes in this kind of packaging, just a little compact. Here is the powder itself, and underneath is an applicator to apply it. But yeah, it's just simple matte packaging. Really like IT Cosmetics. I haven't tried the complexion products, but I like their eyeshadows, and as much as I have tried, everything has been really nice. Next is something from Dior, and it retails for £30. It's the Dior blush. Wow. Oh my god. Color gradation in shade 2 Coral Twist. I love corals for summer. It comes in this kind of luxurious useless pouch. Some people might want to keep it in. This is the outside packaging, super beautiful. And here is the blush. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. It comes with a little applicator, which I will be going to toss because I don't use anything like this, but I really like the color. I will do the top and the bottom. Like one is pink, another is more coral, and this is what you get when you mix them all together. They are all pretty beautiful. Here is one swipe. I did not build up the swatches, but yeah, the color payoff is good. There is no scent to it. And yeah, I think I will get a lot of good use out of this. Next is something from Lancome. It's their eyeliner in shade 017 Azure. It retails for £18. And this is, I will do the swatch. It has this kind of applicator. I can't do thin lines, but look how beautiful it is for summer. It's more darker liner than the ColourPop ones I have and have been using, so I can't wait to create beautiful liner looks with this eyeliner. It looks beautiful. And next we have something from NARS. This is the Audacious lipstick in shade Mona, and it retails for £26. And it's a beautiful deep red. I feel with this box we get lots of this kind of colors, like lots of deep, and I love how this package closes like magnetically. So much fun. But yeah, it seems really creamy and beautiful, so I can't wait to try out that. And last one is from brand called Suku. It's a Japanese brand. It's the Blend Color Eyeshadow Trio. And what's the shade of it? It's 01 Totosheki. I'm so sorry, I'm butchering the name. But I love they have really sleek compacts, feels really luxurious, and it contains 3 eyeshadows. I find the eyeshadows feel really nice and smooth. I haven't tried them on my eyes, but and they always have like this kind of pop of color. I will swatch it here. I didn't do the best job swatching because I have bones here. Sorry, I just make it even because I want you guys to see. So it didn't go over that smoothly of my skinny hand, more like bony hand. But yeah, here they are. I think you can build up these colors, especially like this one, which is this one here. It looks so unique, and yeah, others are colors also that I can use. This would be great for a brown everyday smoky eye if you like something like that. But the total value of this box was £139. I think if I remember correctly, the value of the box itself costs £65, but don't quote me on that. As I said, all the info will be on my blog with links how you can subscribe, and there will be no affiliate links. So if you want, go ahead, check it out. It's a great box. Much better than those cheaper boxes, because I ended up usually getting things I don't want and I don't have interest in, and like this, like what I'm getting into is the Style Dome box, which I do like. It's €15, but I get bronzing powder and they say the value is €18, and it doesn't feel like €18 bronzer. It feels like it's a €5 bronzer, and you put that. Like, okay, we did got good products there as well, like Mana Cutter products are really nice, and some other. There was Bella Bear, which I really like the brand, but there were like this. Once there was this eyeshadow trio, and they said it's €18 the trio, and these eyeshadows are crap. Why would I pay €18? Why? Like, no one would buy it with that money. I mean, there were brands like this that I found like very questionable. That's why I stopped that subscription, and right now I only have the Look Incredible. I'm thinking maybe I should get their monthly subscription, but which is also only luxury, because I know I trust luxury products way more. They usually, most are always good. Like NARS, I have I think one product that I really didn't like, but like usually Lancome, Dior, I have never had a product I'm like, no, I don't like you. It not might be maybe that intense with the eyeshadows, because it's kind of different. It's not gonna be Instagram makeup, but I really do love a high quality luxury products, and these are something all I can use, and the colors fit me well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.